Hello everyone, welcome to Pharmaceutics Recalls discussion. Starting with question number 11. Constituents of calamine lotion VP include calamine and the options are aluminium oxide, sodium chloride, zinc oxide, magnesium hydroxide and calcium carbonate. So here the correct answer is option C, that is zinc oxide. We all are familiar about this calamine lotion. Calamine consists of 98% zinc oxide and 2% ferric oxide. This ferric oxide imparts pink color to the mixture. Next question. The dispensing pharmacist usually blends potent powders with a large amount of diluent by. The options are spatulation, sifting, trituration, geometric dilution, levigation. So here the correct answer is option D, that is geometric dilution. So for the blending of potent powders, the mixing method used is geometric dilution. So spatulation means here a spatula is used to blend small amounts of powders on a sheet of paper or a pill tile. It is not suitable for large quantities of powders or for powders that contain potent substances because homogeneous blending may not occur. So where is this spatulation used? It is useful for solid substances that liquefy or form eutectic mixtures. Eutectic mixtures means mixtures that melt at a lower temperature than any of their ingredients when in close, prolonged contact with one another because little compression or compaction results. Example for these eutectic mixtures are phenol, camphor, menthol, thymol, aspirin, phenyl salicylate and phenacetin. Then trituration. Here, the substance is reduced to small particles by rubbing it in a mortar with a pestle. Trituration also describes the process by which fine powders are intimately mixed in a mortar. Then geometric dilution. It is used when potent substances must be mixed with a large amount of diluent. Then sifting. Here the powders are mixed by passing them through sifters similar to those used to sift flour. This process results in a light, fluffy product. Usually it is not acceptable for incorporating potent drugs into a diluent base. Then levigation. The particle size of the substance is reduced by adding a suitable non-solvent. That means levigating agent to form a paste. The paste is then rubbed in a mortar and pestle or using an ointment slab and spatula. This method is often used to prevent a gritty feel when solids are incorporated into dermatologic or ophthalmic ointments and suspensions. Mineral oil is the common levigating agent. Question number 13. Starch is used in tablets as a. The options are binder, glidant, disintegrant. So here the correct answer is E, that is all of the above are correct options. The starch in the form of a paste can serve as a binder. It also exhibits glidant properties. Glidant properties means to improve the flow properties and can help with disintegration when it comes in contact with body fluids. Next question. Emulsions made with tweens are usually. The options are unstable, water in oil emulsion, oil in water emulsion, clear, reversible. So here the correct answer is option C, that is oil in water emulsion. The polysorbates, also known as tweens, are hydrophilic and tend to form oil in water emulsions. Okay, they may form complexes with phenolic compounds. They have high hydrophilic lipophilic balance values, that is the HLB value. The value is between 11 to 20. Then the sorbitan esters, they are known as PANs, are hydrophobic in nature and form water in oil emulsions. They have low HLB value, that is low hydrophilic lipophilic balance values. The value is between 1 to 9. The larger the HLB value, the more hydrophilic the molecule. Question number 15. Which of the following properties is desirable in a pharmaceutic suspension? The options are caking, pseudoplastic flow, thixotropy. So in the question they have asked about the properties which are favorable or desirable in a pharmaceutic suspension. So here the correct answer is option D, that is 2 and 3 only, which means pseudoplastic flow and thixotropy. So what is a pseudoplastic flow? It is desirable in case of a pharmaceutic suspension because it is characterized by a greater flow rate after the system has been agitated. Then thixotropy means it is a kind of reversible salt gel system. That is, it is characterized by a gel that forms a flowable solution when shaken. On standing, the reformation of the gel will slow particle settling. Then caking is undesirable because settling particles form a dense pack in the bottom of the container. It is very difficult to break this cake and to reconstitute the original suspension. So the desirable properties for a pharmaceutic suspension are pseudoplastic flow and thixotropy. So with this question, we have completed today's recalls discussion. Let's see in the upcoming session. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.